And some of the things that really kind of get me going and a fun project that we've had for some pediatric prosthetics. So this was we will do a dual material printing where we'll do a interflexible that's out of TPU, and then we'll integrate a PA12 struts into that. And then with those PA12 struts, this is for a kiddo that beat the snot out of this, where on top of the PA12, and then that can be integrated right into the prosthesis to give it even more strength to it, and then also for cosmetic purposes as well, where it's a fun thing that the kid wants to wear and wants to proceed with it. Where yeah, this kiddo basically came back and that thing was just shredded, as far as overall the use that that thing got. And it was kind of funny where the clinician said, "Hey, can we make another one of these?" I said, "Yeah, of course." We reprinted it, made it just a little bit bigger in few areas of a new scan that we got sent, and boom, whole new prosthesis for the kiddo to wear and to beat up again, because that's what kids do. I always told my pediatric patients, "Hey, go break this and bring it back to me," because that's what's probably gonna happen. This Tara will probably say as well.